Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jain chili sauce at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 100 grams of fresh red chilies, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. Make sure you have a reliable blender or food processor ready. Also, prepare a clean, airtight glass jar for storing your wonderful homemade creation. This simple recipe is perfect for adding a spicy kick to any meal. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for blending. Carefully wash the red chilies and remove their stems. If you prefer a milder sauce, deseed them thoroughly. Next, peel the 2-inch piece of fresh ginger and chop it into smaller pieces to help with blending. Finally, squeeze the juice from 1 lemon. You'll need approximately 2 tablespoons. These steps ensure a smooth and flavorful base for your sauce. It's time to bring everything together. Place the prepared chilies, chopped ginger, and lemon juice into your blender. Blend until you achieve a very smooth, consistent paste. If it's too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Transfer this paste to a small saucepan, adding about 1/4 cup of water. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for approximately 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens nicely. Almost done. Once your sauce has thickened, remove it from the heat. Now, add a small pinch of salt and about 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Stir well to combine. Allow the sauce to cool down completely to room temperature. Then, carefully transfer it into your clean, airtight glass jar. Store this delicious homemade Jain chili sauce in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.